Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply or add a glowing outline to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already imported a video like this and I'm going to add a glowing outline to this person's body. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is just go to effects, click on the body effects, and now find the stroke option, and in here you'll find a lots of outline or stroke effects that you can add. But if you want to add a glowing outline, you can use this basic luminescence outline like this, or you can also try the electric light like this or the thermal aura. So just select the one that you like, but I'm going to just use the basic luminescence. In here you can adjust the color to the one you want. So for example, I'm going to use this blue color. You can also adjust the range and the intensity of the glow. So when you're done with the setting, click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length to match with the video duration. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.